Filipino phrases using na. Ang bahay na ito ay kay Vice Ganda. This is Vice Ganda's house. Ang kotse na ito ay kulay puti. This car is color white. Mabait na anak si Ayon. Ayon is a kind son. Uuwi na ako. I'm going home now. Tayo na. Let's go. Busog na ako. I'm already full. Kumain ka na ba? Have you eaten? Nakita mo na ba? Have you seen it already? Hihilingin ko kay Jade na patawarin ka na. I will ask Jade to forgive you. Hindi ko na kailangan yon. I don't need it anymore. Inaabangan ko ang susunod na pelikula ni James Bond. I am anticipating the next James Bond movie. Marami silang pagkain na tira. They have so many leftovers. Tulungan mo sila na buhatin ang bagahe. Help them to carry the luggage. Nilinaw ni Anna na wala siyang alam sa pangyayari. Anna clarified that she has no idea about the event. Handa ka na ba? Are you now ready? Mauna ka na sa loob ng kotse. He go now in the car. Maaabutan ko pa kaya ang edad na 70? Would I still reach the age of 70? Ayaw ni Kate na masaktan. Kate doesn't want to get hurt. Marami ka na bang bansang narating? Have you already been to many countries? Nakita mo na ba? Did you see it now? Naiwasan ni James Reid na magbayad ng multa. James Reid was able to avoid paying a fine. Huli na ang lahat. Everything is too late. Kunin mo na ang lahat, huwag lang ang pitaka ko. Just get everything except my wallet. Bumangon ka na at tanghali na. Get up now and it's already late. Umalis ka na kung ayaw mong mainis ako sa'yo. Leave now if you don't want me to be mad at you. Sagutin mo na kasi si boss. Answer boss now. Matatagpuan ko pa ba ang tunay na pagmamahal? Will I ever find true love? Idinaos na ang kasal kaninang umaga. The wedding is held this morning. Ayokong malaman na ginastos mo sa mga bisyo mo ang ipinapadala kong pera. I don't want to find out that you are spending on your vices the money I send you. Magbago ka na. Amend your ways. Maliligo na ako. I'll take a bath now. Naalala ko na. Now I remember. Pumili ka na ba? Have you made your choice? Huwag na tayong tumuloy. Let's not go. Pumasok na ako. I let myself in. Aalis na ako para makabalik ako agad. I'll leave now so I can be back soon. Tama na sabi. That's enough. Ilang taon ka na ba? How old are you? Oras na para matulog. It's time to sleep. Matutulog na ako. I'm going to sleep. Hindi na mauulit. I will not do it again. Malapit na tayo. We're almost there. Lumabas na siya. She has gone out. Umuwi na tayo. Let's go home. Kumukulimlim na. It's getting dark. Handa ka na ba? Are you now ready? Halika na. Come now. Huli ka na. You're late. Masaya ka na ba sa natanggap mo? Are you now happy to what you received? Hindi ka na nasanay. You aren't used to.